Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me, Hichal Tech 87. In this video, I will show you about my apps, especially for sport, for measuring tools. The name is Multi-Stage Fitness, or somebody call about blip test or blip test. Let's check it out. I just changed the UI system, the user interface. I just using the dark mode, and here there are 5 VL. It means you can calculate the VO2 max, the test from 5% in one time, and then I just add some beep test audio. You can play this.
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Ready.
Start level 1, 1.
It means start level 1, 1, and the test you will do some run from the distance is 20 meters, 20 meters, and then from point to point they need to go before the beep sound will appear again.
Level 1, 2.
Level 1, 2, then the test will go to run back again. It's like
Level 1, 3.
This like kind of the shuttle run. You can shuttle run.
Level 1, 4.
Level 1, 4, and then do some running.
Level 1, 5.
Level 1, 5. I will explain this. Level 1, and then the shuttle is 5. That's the mean of sound. When the people doing this test and then fail in the level and shuttle 5, it means they cannot follow the beep sound correctly. I mean, the correctly is 2 more beep sound. 2 beep sound has been passed. They gonna fail of this test, and then we record the result is level and shuttle. Maybe I will make some example in here. Okay, name 2. Okay, after we fill out all the field in here, we just click the process button, and the VO2 max will appear on the right side of your screen. And then if you want to save the data, you need to save the data on the database, into the database. Just click save and then click yes. After that will appear our data in here. There are scroll horizontally. Okay, oops. Okay, and then in the data result in here, and then you can export it, and you search on internal storage. Just follow the MISFT folder, and then the file will appear. Okay, if you want to share to your Gmail or social media or WhatsApp, just click share button. Okay, go back again.
Level 1 6.
If you want to stop, just this is the stop button here, and then the audio will start over from the beginning. Okay, if you want to clear, just click delete data, clear data, and then click yes. The field is empty now and ready to insert some another people that just do some this test, multi-stage fitness test. Okay, I think it's good enough for this video. Just wait for my update apps on Google Play Store. Hopefully you can enjoy all my apps, all free, for developing of sport, like sport technology coming from here. Just remember my name on Google Play Store, Hichaltech 87, HICALTACH 87. Just tap on it, on Google Play Store, and my apps will appear. Okay, I think it's good enough for this explain. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.